Hello, today we'd like to talk about the OMRON S8VK series of power supplies, the lifeline of manufacturing systems. The S8VK family provides an innovative design of power supplies for your control cabinets and creates added value for panel builders. This improves the overall machine design to avoid high costs due to unexpected machine downtimes. For an up-to-date power supply system, the individual components must be highly efficient, very compact, fail-safe, and they need to have a long lifetime. OMRON's approach to common product specifications to panel components, known as value design for panel, brings new value to control cabinets. In addition, sustainable principles are considered to create control panels that are friendly to people and the planet. The S8VKC Lite series presents an excellent option for cost-sensitive applications that demand a reliable, high-quality power supply. With power ratings ranging from 60 to 480 watts, this family caters to diverse needs. Meanwhile, our S8VKG model boasts a broad product range, all housed in an exceptionally compact form. It outshines competitors by being 13% smaller, making it the smallest of its kind in the market. Its robust design can endure the toughest conditions, featuring 5G vibration resistance and ensuring stable operation within a wide temperature range from -40 to 70 degrees Celsius. The S8VKS, our latest compact power supply series, is crafted for space efficiency and resilience in challenging environments. This design stands as our most compact yet, with a 36% reduction in volume compared to the previous version. Incorporating push-in plus technology for easy wiring, it offers a remarkable 60% reduction in setup time. The S8VKX is a cutting-edge DIN rail power supply that provides real-time monitoring of key parameters such as product lifespan, voltage, current, and peak current. These integrated features empower predictive maintenance on industrial equipment. OMRON offers PC monitoring software, enabling remote monitoring of multiple power supplies. The S8VK is our most compact three-phase power supply, tailored for small control panels. This model not only furnishes additional troubleshooting information to minimize downtime, but also offers enhanced environmental resistance, making it suitable for a diverse range of applications. The new S8VKWA represents OMRON's latest single-phase power supply, delivering high performance with an impressive 85-amp output. This innovative power supply contributes significantly to energy savings and resource optimization within control cabinets. Leveraging OMRON's proprietary efficiency enhancement technologies, the S8VKWA achieves remarkable results, including a 60% reduction in power consumption, a 60% decrease in weight, and a 50% lower configuration compared to previous products. This underscores OMRON's dedication to sustainability by actively reducing greenhouse gas emissions. If you'd like to delve deeper into the advantages that the S8VK range can bring to your control cabinets, or find out more about our complementary range of power products, electronic circuit breakers, and UPS solutions, please don't hesitate to contact us or visit our website at the following link.